Hello everyone, today we got a A50. We need to change the screen on it. I got the new screen with the frame, so it shouldn't be a problem. Very quick and easy. First we're going to open the back cover. Just pierce through from any side way you can go through under the back cover and just slide it around. If you have to heat up please. This one is being replaced before I can see, so it was easy. You can just go through with the tweezer or any other tool on the sides. We don't have any electricity, that's why I didn't heat it up. All around like that. If you have to heat up, please do so. Don't crack it. It says plastic, but again, more care you take to do repair, you avoid extra work. Sorry about that shake. So this is open now. We're going to open all the screws, the middle will come out. Okay, at this time we're going to take out the same reader from this slot here, and now you can, I always say, go near to the same reader place because this is always soft, and put some tweezer or anything in there to release it. And then you can go through all around. The middle cover comes out. Now we're going to remove the front camera because we need to change it, everything here, and there is one screw there, 2 screw fingerprint sensor I think. So this one we open, and let's release the battery, main flexi, LCD connecting flexi. Okay, and we can remove antennas also. Let's rather remove it from the top so we can release the board easily. Let me open the screw. Sorry about that. Once the screw is out, board will come out. Heat up a little bit. This is a little bit stubborn, and this also. Sometimes they come out easy, sometimes you have to heat them. This LCD is been replaced before also, so it shouldn't be a problem. Please give me watch time, guys. I need your help. I need watch time. Subscribe my channel, share the videos, it helps a lot. So open these 2 screws and remove these 2 things, vibrator and speaker. So once the vibrator and speaker is out, speaker will come with this fitting, and then we can just release the charging board and your sensor, and there is that other aerial wire going. If it is a original fitting that you're opening, you might need to give it a little bit of heat on these things to be released, but because this is not original, that's why it's coming out very easily. So now we can just put this thing aside and we can start assembling on the new LCD. So this is the new LCD. Remove these stickers if there are any on yours. Vibrator, then speaker, so we don't forget these things. It's fitting. Now we can put our board. Now we can put front camera. Now we can put the screw here so it can hold the bolt nicely. Now let's put this white aerial first because this is a long one. There are brackets for everything, it should fit easily. I'm just gonna fit it here under this line because there is this warranty seal which I want to avoid, breaking. So once that is fitted, we can fit our fingerprint sensor and these two black screws. Now we can just go and do this other aerial. These aerial wires must fit in proper, otherwise when you're putting the middle cover it doesn't close nicely and then you struggle. So they must go into the lining perfectly. Put this bubble wrap underneath or something soft, so when you're pressing these kind of things, LCD doesn't get damaged. Now we'll put our battery. The battery is low and we don't have electricity, so I won't be able to test the LCD right now in front of you. That is the reason that I'm hesitant to break the warranty seal. And now we're going to put the LCD flexi. Let's rather remove this thing and put the LCD flexi and align this proper into these two holes. There are two tiny holes. Okay, so once it is aligned proper, connect this main flexi also. I'll see that if the phone is going to switch on, I'll show you the LCD working. Otherwise I gotta wait to charge it first. Now we're going to put the middle cover. As I said that if these cables are not on its place, it won't close proper, so just be careful from that side. You can hear the clocks. Now we're going to put the screws one by one. So the blue wire will come underneath because it wasn't closing, as I explained you earlier. So now we're going to put the middle cover. Now it's gonna close perfectly. Tick 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 sounds. And then we can put all the screws all around. So you see, after changing the LCD, we already closed all the screws. Now you can put it back with some glue so it can hold it. This is how we change A50 LCD, A505 or A50 Samsung LCD. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye. Watch time and subscription please.